Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use Honey on Amazon. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly open a browser and open Amazon. Now just simply search for Honey extension on your Google. Then open the first link right over here. Then open this one right over here. Now after that click on Add to Chrome, it's free. And then just simply click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add extension. Now once it is all done, just simply do a quick sign up. So use any one of the options right over here. Now after the sign up process is complete, click on next step, again click on next step, and then click on finish demo. Now once your account is all set up, close the option and go to Amazon and enable the Honey extension right over here as well. So just simply look for the extension and enable it right over here. Now click on that option. And as you can see, the extension is currently working. Now all you have to do is just simply add a product. Let's say for example this one. So go to buy now. And as you can see right over here, directly it will show you how many coupons are available for this particular product. So if you click on this option, now depending on the product, you might find a lot of coupons. So for this particular product, there is only one coupon available. So click on this coupon and copy it. And then just simply choose any one of the payment method and then go to use payment method. And in the end, right over here, you'll have the option of enter the promotional code or gift code. So paste the code that you just simply got from Honey. And then click on apply and place your order. And then you will find some sort of discount in your product. So that's it. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.